How's the spinners? Engineered for performance and designed for comfort. Good luck finding that in your stock truck. I'm Dean, the co-founder of Big Dog Builds. We are the most awarded American truck company in Australia. We've got over 500 builds under our belt now. And this one behind me is one of the toughest F trucks to date. Factory trucks are fine for the masses. But for those that know better, the F350 Weekender is the only choice. Let's go check this one out. As you can see, this thing looks amazing. We've kept the chrome theme. Because of that, we've tied it in throughout the whole build. Starting at the front here, we've got the ADD Stealth Bar. So this one's in from the USA. It houses a 12,000 pound wireless carbon winch. And it's also got the 40-inch curved rigid LED light bar in there. So really nice and neat front bar combo on this one. Really tucks up that front end, gives it the clearance. The factory bars on these F350s have got the massive valance at the front. So getting that little bit more ground clearance is going to help off-road. And it looks amazing on-road as well. That ties in really nicely. We've got the aftermarket Bushwacker color-coded flares here. These obviously the smooth fitment. As for the wheel and tire combo on this one, this is the most custom wheel that we've done to date. As you can see, Big Dog Builds etched in the outer lip. Definitely bonus points for that one. Spinner caps in the center there. These are American Force. These things look amazing. They've got the custom black centers and then the full chrome outers, the outer lips, the American Force with the Big Dog Builds in there as well. So these are a 20 by 10 neg 18 offset. We've wrapped that in a 37, 12.5, 20 Nitto Ridge grappler. Awesome looking wheel and tire combination there. The size of this vehicle, we've gone for the full 5.5-inch Carli eVenture kit. This lift kit is definitely one of the most adjustable kits for your F350 on the market to date. You got in-cab adjustability there. You can set between your different modes, whether it's on-road, whether you're taking the toys off the back and you're hitting the tracks, or you're wanting those slow off-road. It's amazing how capable the big truck like this one can be off-road. It has had the full performance upgrade as well. So over 1,700 newton meters of torque, over 540 horsepower out of this package. 5-stage tune select as well from the team at GNL Performance. This thing ties in really, really nicely. Got the custom hood on the front there as well, which also looks amazing. Really just ties into a whole outside look on this thing. It's definitely unique, that's for sure. Being the 2019 model, it's got the full solid front grille. So that chrome tying into the headlights, tying into the wheels, the little bits in the light bar, even into the little bolts in the Big Dog Builds roof rack, which is up on top. I'll take those pitties off. It's got the curved steady 50-inch light bar up there. It's got the 4x steady side light. So you got 2 on this side, 2 on the other side. The 2700 Kelvin from steady means that this one's more of an amber light rather than a bright white. So that one switched all through the Switch Pro is going to allow you to dim it down 3 different levels. The Switch Pro, of course, for the front LED lights are tied into the high beam trigger, and you've got a few spare outputs there as well, whether you're wanting to run air compressors, backup lights, put some little Baja lights on the back of this one as well. So that's pretty much it. Switch Pros are definitely the way to go. If your truck hasn't got upfitter switches, some of the older F trucks like this one don't have that. The Switch Pro is definitely the way to go there. You can also pop the UHF brackets up on the Big Dog Builds roof rack. If you're wanting to put a solar panel up there as well, this is definitely the place for it. It's really one of the most versatile racks on the market. I think they look pretty good, but I might be biased. What do you reckon? Tie into the merch theme, the Big Dog Builds merch. You can order that now on our website, that's for sure, but we'll get back into this one. With the GNL Performance package and so much power running through these F trucks, the team have also installed their traction bar setup. What that going to allow is the whole rear axle is actually going to stay square to the vehicle. You're not going to get that twist in that rear axle, which can do damage to your whole drive shaft into the rear diff assemblies. The traction bars from GNL definitely a must for people that are doing the big horsepower upgrades like this truck has now got. It's definitely different to how it rolled in, that's for sure. But with the rear leaf springs, just the factory leaf springs for now in this one, we have gone and installed the Carli long travel airbag kit. This customer's still deciding whether to go a full canopy setup or to run it as a daily like this one here. This combination in the back here with the Carli long travel airbags. We've got the Polyair wireless airbag control kit. This one will control the vehicle, control those rear airbags from the comfort of the driver's seat. And you can see on the back there as well as we swing around, we've got the Jenny hitch combo. So having a lot of different trailers, this customer's opted for the 5-hole drop, 7,000 kilo torsion hitch. With the Ford assemblies like this one here, it's got the 2.5-inch tongue into the vehicle. So 2.5-inch, 7,000 kilo Jenny hitch combo. You got your 5 different holes. You can got your 50, 70 mil reversible ball, so you can swap that one around. You got your pintle hook in there. And inside the vehicle, we've also got the AT tongue where you can put the DO45. pop the little reducing bush in, and you can put the DO35 as well if that's what your van runs. So it's definitely the most universal setup, these Jenny hitch combos. You've got your lockable pins as well, which is the one into the vehicle there. You got the toys on the back. The one thing you don't want to do is have to stop for fuel everywhere on a long trip. So we've also installed the Titan OEM replacement fuel tank. This is going to give you anywhere from 1,000 to 1,200 kilometers range, depending on how heavy the tow ball weight is and how big the trailer is behind. This thing here definitely looks a little bit different to a stock truck when it rolled in. Being a 2019 model, it's had a good 5 years of use, around 100,000 kilometers. It's definitely come to Big Dog Builds for a birthday. I think this thing looks amazing. It definitely sounds amazing. Who can't beat a bit of chrome in an F truck? Custom wheels has definitely got the points for myself. To get a custom build like this one, guys, click on the website in the link below. And if you like a truck as tough as this one, check this one out here. If you want to see these things boogie up the beach, this season here is definitely one to watch as well.